Alright guys, back here cleaning really dirty brick. This is just all black mold on this brick, and what I've done is treated half of this using our Gunslinger 12-volt pump. And so you can see how right in this area where I've treated it, it's changed the color. This was just as bad as that. And so the bleach mix, using about a 50% mix, 50-50 mix, that's what you need on this strong stuff. Coated it real good, and you can see it's just changed the color of it, so you can't really see that mold anymore, but it just kind of turned it white. And so then we'll lightly come with our adjustable wand, and I'll show you that in a separate video, and clean all of this off and get it back to where it's looking really good. So we're going to finish treating the rest of this with our 50-50 mix, and then we'll lightly wand over it using our pressure washer and our adjustable wand. But this is pretty much how you clean really dirty brick. Use a strong mix, let it sit, and then lightly pressure wash it off using the right low flow rinse nozzle or your adjustable wand. Hey guys, gonna show you real quick using the adjustable wand how I clean brick. This adjustable wand allows me to control the pressure so I can go up or down on it. And so this is all set pretty good. We just kind of come in here just lightly. Lightly go over all that brick using this adjustable wand. This is made for downstreaming, but we're not downstreaming. We're just using it so we can control our pressure. And as you can see, it cleans up really good. And this is a Mexican style brick, which is pretty brittle and it's pretty soft. So that's why we want to use very low pressure using the adjustable wand. In another video, I'll show you using our low pressure rinse nozzle and just a regular gun. So that's how we use the adjustable wand. Use it for cleaning around driveways, trimming out, all of that kind of stuff. Anytime you just want to get low pressure but high volume of water, that's what we use. Thanks guys. Guys, the next thing I'm doing on this brick is using just, our rinse, low flow rinse nozzles. A lot of guys have heard these. They're made for downstreaming. Soap high, soap low, rinse high, rinse low. And what I'm doing is using the rinse nozzle that has very little pressure but a lot of water volume. We'll clean this brick just to give you a little difference between this and the adjustable wand. Things you'll notice on here is I've got a 1/4 inch Mossmatic swivel, just kind of like the ones that's on the hose swivel, but this is made for a gun. That way, as you saw when I'm cleaning up here and I want to clean here, I can just turn my nozzle and go down this way. I'll show it to you again. So if I'm cleaning up this way, now instead of having to turn my whole thing, I can just come over here and turn my gun. It's a lot easier to do, a lot less wear and tear on your body, basically. But this is pretty much low pressure nozzle. There you go.